Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to today's edition of my YouTube channel, Susan World. If today is your first time here, you are welcome and I'm sending a special hug to you. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipe. Today we'll be preparing one pot, or in German Eintopf. This recipe is very good for a cold day. So we'll take a break and we'll get straight to it. Welcome back guys. So before we start cooking, let me show you the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. First and foremost, our potatoes. As you can see, it is washed, sliced just the way I want it. Then I have my beef here. You can use any meat of your choice or fish if you so choose. Then I have my veggie here. You can also use any vegetables of your choice. Then I have my oil, my maize flour. Then you can use any spice you so choose. So these are the spices I'll be using. So guys, let's start cooking. First and foremost, I have to spice my beef. So in another bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the spice I'll be using to spice. Add some curry powder, some salt to taste, some onions powder, then I'll be adding a little bit of oil just to mix it up. So look at guys, I'll go ahead and pour in my beef. So look at that. Then I'll go ahead and add in my maize flour, just a little bit of it. So that one is not open. I'm going to take the one that is opened. So just that much I need. I need about 2 tablespoons of the maize flour. Okay guys, look at that. So this is what I want. Go ahead and wash my hand. We'll be back. So go ahead and start cooking now. Turn on my heat. Add some oil. So that's much of an oil I need. So we're gonna wait for the oil to heat up a little bit. Not really hot, but let it just heat up a little bit. Then we'll be back, guys. So go ahead and the oil is not really hot, but I need to cook gradually. Do not forget to stir from time to time to avoid your meat from sticking to the pot. Sticking on the pot. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my my potato, because the meat and the potato, they need longer time to cook, so that's why they're going to go in first. Then the veggie can come in later. So, gonna go ahead and add some water. So let's see. A bit more water, that should do. Okay. We're gonna test to see. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add in more spice. Some onions powder. A little bit of salt it is. We're gonna see. Perfect. So we're going to cover it up and allow it to cook. So let's let it cook. So let's check our food out. See, our potatoes is not completely done, still a little bit left. So at this point we're going to add in our veggies. So we'll cover it and to let our veggie and the rest of the potatoes to be completely cooked. We'll be right back, guys. So guys, look at that. Look amazing, eh? And also tasty. So this is our one pot Dutch einthoven. So guys, come join me. Very delicious. Like I said, this recipe is very good for a cold day. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of today's edition of my YouTube channel, Susan Ward. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you have any question, please leave a comment at the comment section and I will get to you. Thanks guys for watching. Until next week. Ciao ciao.